Everyone's heard of Throwback Thursdays, but today I want to flip the script and make it Thankful Thursdays. I want to take a moment to thank you, my clients, for bringing out the best in me. Each of you has a unique goal, and it's an honor to be a part of your journey. To the restaurant owners growing their profits in just 90 days, your drive inspires me to push for smarter strategies. To those launching their books, your courage to share your stories challenges me to think bigger every day. To my clients building their speaking businesses, seeing you step into your spotlight fuels my passion for helping others succeed. And to those rebuilding their multi-unit manager operational programs, your commitment to excellence keeps me striving for nothing but the best. Thank you for trusting me with your dreams, your businesses, and your futures. Together, we're proving that success isn't just a goal, it's a process. So on this Thankful Thursday, I just want to say I'm grateful for you. Let's keep building, leading, and succeeding together. See you soon.